This 2022 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36DB is a Class A RV. It is located in Birch Run, Michigan, 48415 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2022 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36DB is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.